guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to do something different today, educate you all on a scientist who was instrumental in the development of the modern day atomic theory. So let's get right into the video. The scientist I will be focusing on today is Joseph John Thomson, who goes by J.J. Thomson. He was born on December 18th, 1856 in Manchester, England. And though he was described as a shy boy, he was very interested in science since a young age. At the age of 14, he was a student at Owens College and the University of Manchester for mathematics, physics, and engineering. At the age of 19, he attended the University of Cambridge, where he graduated with high honors. In 1882, he was awarded the Adams Prize, highly acclaimed mathematics honor. A year later, he earned a master's degree in mathematics. As you can see from his early academic life, he was very involved in science and mathematics, which led him to pursuing the field of physics. Thomson entered physics at a critical point in history. In 1897, he came to the conclusion that all matter, whatever its source, contains particles of the same kind that are much less massive than the atoms of which they form a part. Before we move on, let's define some of these terms. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It also has volume and follows the property of inertia. Second, particles are a tiny portion of matter. Third, an atom is the smallest particle of an element that retains its identity in a chemical reaction. Moving on, he identified this smaller source as corpuscles, which were later identified as electrons. An electron is a stable subatomic particle with a charge of negative electricity. Electrons are important for the bonding of the individual atom together. Without this bonding force between atoms, matter would not be able to interact in the many reactions and forms we see every day. Thomson discovered while attempting to prove the controversy of the nature of cathode rays. Cathode rays are a stream of tiny negatively charged particles moving at high speed. Thomson attempted this argument with an improved vacuum technique. He figured that the rays were composed of the same electrons regardless of what kind of gas carried or metal used as a conductor. Thomson later concluded that the electrons were present in all kinds of matter. J.J. Thomson concluded that the cathode rays themselves consisted of negatively charged particles. Thomson can be described as the man who split the atom. He later received the Nobel Prize for Physics for his research into electroconductivity of gases. Thomson also supported the research that led to the modern internal structure of the atom. Fun facts about J.J. Thomson. Number 1. He married one of his students, Rose Elizabeth Taggart. Number 2. He was a Sagittarius. Number 3. He created the plum pudding model in the late 19th century, which is a model of the atomic structure. Overall, J.J. Thomson helped revolutionize the knowledge of atomic structure by his discovery of the electron. This is so cringy. That's super so. Like Takashi, call him Poppy.